Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, dear students. This is Teacher Adam at Basira College. Today, we're going to learn about preferences. So a preference is something you like over another thing. For example, if you say, I prefer tea to coffee, it means your preference is coffee over tea. Preferences, we're going to learn it, inshallah, in 3 different lessons. We're going to divide it in 3 sections. The first section is common phrases, where we're going to learn how to use 3 phrases to, express your preferences in more natural and varied ways. So let's get started. So the first phrase is I'm a big fan of. It's I'm a big fan of. So these phrases are there to replace or as a good substitute for I like. So instead of saying I like something, you better be using either of these 3, phrases. The first phrase is I'm a big fan of, and then you mention whatever you're a big fan of. The second is I am really into. I am really into. When you say I am really into, you're just saying I like this. So when you say after saying I am really into, and then you're going to mention the things that you're really into or the thing that you like. The third and the final phrase is I'm keen on. So when you say I'm keen on, you're just saying I like. It's a fancy way of saying I like. I'm keen on, and then you mention the things that you like. So let's go through them one by one. I'm a big fan of. I am a big fan of. So these are some examples. You can say I'm a big fan of football. I'm a big fan of spicy food. I'm a big fan of English movies. I'm a big fan of comedy shows. I'm a big fan of nature walks. So those are some of the things that a person could be a big fan of. So if I ask you a question, dear listener or dear watcher, what are you a big fan of? So can you give me 3 things that you're a big fan of? Mention them in the comment section. The second is I am really into. I am really into. When you say I am really into, you're just saying I like this thing very much. Hiking, for example, you can say I'm really into hiking. Yeah. For example, me, I really like hiking. What about you? What are you really into? Are you really into hiking? I'm really into photography. I'm really into photography. Do you like photography? Do you like taking photos? The other one, and the third example that I wrote here, is I'm really into reading mystery novels. I'm really into reading mystery novels. So mystery is something that is difficult to understand or explain. Something that is impossible to understand or explain. So there's some novels, when you read them, they're mystery. They're mystery. I'm really into hiking. I'm really into photography. I'm really into reading mystery novels. Dear student, what are you really into? Just tell me now. Tell me 3 things you're really into. And do not postpone it. Tell me now. I'm really standing, I'm standing right in front of you. Talk to me directly, face to face. Tell me, just tell me 3 things you're really into. What are they? Come on, man, come on. Come on, woman, give me 3 things that you're really into. Wonderful, wonderful, amazing. Those examples that you gave me, I really like them. Really? Let's move on. I'm keen on. I am keen on. I'm keen on is a fancy way of saying I like. So what do you like? What are you keen on? I'm keen on learning new things. I'm keen on learning new things. And that's true of me. I love learning new things every day. So if you're not learning new things, you're not growing. You're not becoming a better person. If you're not moving forward, then you're going backwards. If you're not moving forward, you're going backwards. You're not constant. You're not on your place. Like you're not standing. You're not on one position. You're not stationary. You either are moving forward or you're moving backwards. So it's your choice. Do you like staying in one place which doesn't exist? Do you like moving forward or you like moving backwards? So it's, one of the things that you have to be, keen on is learning new things every day. So I'm keen on learning new things. I'm keen on traveling. Traveling is an amazing thing to do. Some people don't like traveling, but me, as a person, I'm keen on traveling. I'm keen on gardening. Oh, that is very true of me. I love gardening. I like gardening. I am keen on gardening. I'm a big fan of gardening. I'm really into gardening. All of them just means I like gardening very much. So what are you keen on? I'm keen on meeting new people. And that one is also very true of me. I'm keen on meeting new people. So it's good to meet new people almost every day. At least once a week, go out, go into the town, do some hiking, do some walking, and then meet new people. Is a good thing to do. So these are 3 phrases that we've learned today when we want to express preferences, naturally. So you want to come, when you're speaking, when you're expressing yourself, you want to do it naturally. You want to do it naturally. You don't want to force yourself. You don't want to force it. Let it flow naturally. So the 3 main phrases that we learned today on how to express your preferences in a more natural, manner. The first one is I am a big fan of. You can say I'm a big fan of, English movies, for example. The second one is I'm really into. So what are you really into? I'm really into reading mystery novels. I'm keen on. What are you keen on? I'm keen on meeting new people. I'm keen on learning new things. Dear brothers and sisters, our lesson ends there. Now, let me give you some homework. Or let me give you some assignment. If you can write it in the comment section, I'll really appreciate that. I want 3 things that you're a big fan of. And 3 things you're really into. And 3 things you're very keen on. With that, welcome to Basira College. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye-bye.